Hey, my name is AJ Griffin, and we are here at the Jacobs Construction Timber Floor Plan. The Timber Floor Plan is Jacobs Construction's flagship plan. At over 3,000 square foot, exceeding 6 bedrooms, and a ton of outdoor space, it's a true mountain estate. And Jacobs Construction is Duck Creek and Bryan Head's premier cabin builder. Take a look at these finishes. Now, the timber floor plan features tall vault ceilings, beautiful fireplace finishes, and so much more. Now, the timber has options like a bunk room and en-suites, which will fit your friends and family perfectly. So the Griffin team and Jacob Construction are partners to help you find that picturesque lot and the perfect cabin. Let's get to it.